No carnivorous plants yet. We're going to hike the Sundew Trail today at Big Thicket National Preserve. We've been here once before, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description box below to our hike at the Kirby Trail, which is south of here. Not too far south, it's only about 6 miles south. Today we're going to hike the Sundew Trail and see if we can spot some carnivorous plants. So it looks like the outer loop is not a paved trail. That's fine. There is a 0.3 mile inner loop, and that looks like it's paved. I don't know if we're going to hit that loop today or not, or whether we're just going to do the outer loop. No carnivorous plants yet. The Big Thicket is home to four of the 5 species of carnivorous plant in North America, including the pitcher plant, which we did see on the trail, and the sundew plant, which is supposed to grow along this trail, but we didn't see any of those. They might be hibernating. It might not be their season or something. But anyway, success. We saw carnivorous plants in the wild. We're going to go ahead and hike the inner loop too, because it's only about 1/3 of a mile to 1/2 of a mile. And it puts us out at the exact same place where we saw the pitcher plants earlier. I hope that didn't show up on camera. It's a good thing the dogs have never figured out how to operate spray paint cans, because this forest would be tagged on every tree. Princess was here. There are sundew plants right over there. Of course, they're not red. They're curled up. You barely see that their leaves have curled up. They've got something in their grasp, and that's why they've curled up around it. So the reason why some plants here in the Big Thicket resorted to becoming carnivorous plants is because the soil here isn't all that nutrient dense. So they had to come up with something in order to get the nutrients they needed. And that's why they started trapping and devouring insects. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us out. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, we publish every Sunday at 10 a.m. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.